Eggshells are awesome when you're planting your tomatoes. You can actually dig your hole for your tomatoes and place crushed eggshells in that hole. Why? Because it actually adds calcium to the soil. It actually adds air into the soil. So many great things you can do with eggshells. Just dig your hole, put your eggshells in the bottom of the hole, put your tomato plant in, and there are so many benefits. So it does give you extra calcium in that area where you're planting your tomatoes, and tomatoes love extra calcium because it helps them to build their cell walls, and without calcium your plants won't grow as fast or as strong. So eggshells, tomatoes, peppers, and squash, they love eggshells being planted in with their little roots. It helps against blossom end, it helps rot because of the high calcium. So if you get blossom end rot on your tomatoes, next time try planting some eggshells, crushed eggshells in with your tomato plants. One of my favorite things. If you like this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel, Nana the Glam Gardener, and you have a great day.